Oh, look, my favorite mailman.
Another parcel for Kyle?
Back at it again, you and I.
Are you, capitalist fiend?
Yeah, what can I say, Memorial Day sale, but I should really learn my lesson.
Yeah, I'm not doing so well these days. So you always get the biggest boxes.
Yeah, I always check biggest boxes option on checkout.
Ooh, the knee just gave out completely there. I'll be right with you. Hey. Oh, this one looks fun. What's in this one?
It's a dishwasher.
The dishwasher. Is it one of those new finagled high-techy ones? Or does it run on batteries? Because I like to collect everybody's old batteries. I can take them off here.
What do you do with used batteries?
You don't want to know what I do with those old batteries, Fred Dorito. Can I take a look inside this thing? It'd be great. We having a great time.
We've been over this, man. I'm not gonna...
Yes, we've been over this. You tell me this to tell you that. You know something funny? I've never opened a package in my life. I always give them out, but I never want to rip them open, you know? How's that? How's that sound? Sound good?
No.
No? Okay. Hey, it's going burns up and down the quadrants.
Did you hurt something? Are you okay?
I recently acquired a hernia in the linguinal abdominal area.
You're kidding me.
On both the right and left side of my crotchola.
No way. I got a hernia.
Stop it right now with the tomfoolery. I had to get one of these hernia belts in.
No way. I also got a hernia belt.
What? Oh, boy.
Show each other's hernia belts?
Oh, let's do it. Oh, wow. Look at that.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Team lift. Okay. All right, go. Yeah, you first. Counterclock, that's it. Okay. Counterclock? What? I know they like say the good. Oh, well, I know that's what you want me to kit caboodle, so I'm gonna get out of your way.
Hey, you know what? Why don't we open it together this time?
Really? No fooling? No joshing?
Well, yeah, I mean, in case it's like dangerous or whatever, you know.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Like it's something that's practical to do.
Yeah, practically, yeah, of course. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, cool.
Is that all right with you, or?
Is that all right with me? Of course, I dream about this almost every other night.
Pops the cork. Let's bust it open. All right, the dishwasher. How about that, huh? Nice and clean.
Oh,
wow.
Stick and scan.
That is shiny.
Look at that helicopter.
Wow.
Oh, that's the money.
Whoa.
It's really wet. Baby's first mugs.
Right. This
way out. So you put these so the handle don't shake.
Oh, I see. In the shake, and it goes. Oh, looks pretty good. All right. This is good, right? This is good?
This is quality, right? This was so much fun.
You know what?
Oh,
this
boy.
really was a blast.
Now, you sure you don't want me to help you install it?
Oh, that's so nice of you, but, aren't you a mailman? Don't you have a lot more packages to get to?
No, I actually do. I have plenty of customers that are probably going to be a little ticked at me that I haven't gotten to their parcels. But, I got to see that package, and boy, was it great to see that just the box flip open, and then you see the item, and it's kind of weird, right? Because I've seen the package now, and I don't know what to do next. I guess I could deliver more packages, but I don't think it's going to do it for me as much as I thought it would after the...
Dishwasher! Come on! Let's wash some dishes! What? The new dishwasher! I know you got some dishes that are dirty!
Yeah, I do have dishes dirty, but I want them clean, not, not whatever this is.
Come over here. It's time to wash some dishes. Dishes. Scrub it up down. Scrub it up down. No more hand washing. It's time to wash them with machine. Time to wash these dishes. But don't put the cast iron skillet in there.
Why can't I wash a cast iron skillet?
You don't want to wash the cast iron skillet. You gotta let it sit there because it's better not to wash. It's time to wash those dirty dishes.
Oh my god! Oh my god, my rugs are soaked! This is my grandmother's rug! Dirty dishes!
What the dishes are we now?
Okay, well, here's some dishes. What do I do?
Put them in the rack. Come on.
Okay, there you go.
You act like you've never done dishes before.
Well, I haven't done it like this.
Put them in my rack.
Put it right in your rack?
Right there.
It doesn't seem well
right there, buddy.
constructed.
Yo, this is great.
You're gonna stay in there and so
Oh,
fall
you
out?
bet. All right.
Oh, wow, you're really washing them.
Whatever you do, don't you dare club me. Oh, we're good.
Do the what? Oh, wash dishes. Okay, well let me get my dishes. Okay, here, wash it. Oh crap! How about that one?
I got this one.
No, that can't be good for it.
We need a little spit shine. Oh my God.
This can't be cleaning. No, thank you. We're
Which
good.
cycle do you want?
My dishes are clean enough.
Normal, heavy,
Heavy.
pots and pans, self-cleaning. Do you want me to clean myself? I can clean myself.
Oh my god. Oh no, my antique bowl.
I'll fix that.
You'll fix it too?
Don't worry, I'll fix it.
Don't hurt yourself. It's very sharp. Well, you look barefoot. Oh my god, you're doing it.
I'll fix it.
Oh my god. How are you this way?
Plug me in.
Plug you in? Sure, this'll fix it. All right, you're plugged in.
Okay, put the dishes inside of me. I can't wait to wash her dishes. Load me up.
Load you up?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go.
That one looks dirty.
Yeah, they're all pretty
That
gross.
one looks dirty too.
Yeah, they're pretty bad.
You don't have to wash them in the sink before you put them inside of me.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah,
nice.
you don't, because I will make them nice and shiny. Yeah. More dishes.
That's all I got. That's all my dishes.
Then make some more dirty.
Yes.
Come on, close the door.
Oh my god. How does this work at all?
Turn me on.
All right, you're on.
Right before we start,
Huh?
what do dishwashers wear for clothes?
Oh, a riddle. I don't know.
Silverware! That was a joke I just made up. Do you have any silverware? Don't forget the silverware! Silverware!
Oh my god.
Okay, we're ready.
I see that nothing is happening here.
Cause it's all over.
Oh, great. Oh my god.
Clean!
Oh crap.
Your dishes are clean! Yay! Let's do some more!
Do you need any soap or anything?
Oh, that's a good idea!
All right,
Put the soap in the door! Where is the soap?
All right, here it comes. Oh no. Oh, is that good?
Clean dishes now!
God, no. Oh, no.
What else can I clean?
Nothing. Everything's clean. We're good. Oh, no. God, please.
Oh, this needs to be cleaned.
Oh, my God. Please, no. No, these flowers were specially made. Oh, shoot. That's glass. That's glass. Oh, God. Thank you so much. We're good. Thank you. Is that what? All right. Let's see if there's a phone number on the back I can call.
I think that you need to be cleaned.
Oh, no, don't clean me.
You're a little dirty.
I'm not dirty at all. Please don't. All right. You want to be useful? I'm going to try to install you in the kitchen.
Installation!
Yeah.
Installation!
Here we go.
Okay, let's go!
Let's go. Come on. Here are the dishes, and here's where you live. Got it?
This looks dirty.
That's my grandmother's ashes.
I gotta clean this.
No, you don't.
That's what I do.
You're not doing it very well.
This is a very dirty dish.
It's not. It's a clean enough urn.
I don't think that I've ever seen a dirtier dish.
It's not dirty.
I have to clean this.
It's not dirt. It's a person.
No, it's not. It's very dirty.
It is my dead grandmother.
This is not a grandmother. This is dirt, and it's getting cleaned right now. What? This vase is filled with dirt.
Put the lid back on it.
Dirt all over this. Dirt inside of this vase.
It's not a vase. It's not dirt. It's my dead grandmother in an urn.
I have never seen so much dirt inside of a dish.
Please put it back.
I have to clean this dirt.
You kind of don't have to do anything.
I have to do this. This is all I have.
No, put it down. No. Put it down. No. Please, no.
I'm the clean.
No.
Now let's put it through the washer. Oopsies.
That was my dead grandmother!
She was dirty.
God! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Air Horn. That time of year to get a brand new dishwasher, but make sure not to do these 3 things, not to forget when you're installing your dishwasher. Number 1, don't forget to turn off the water so it doesn't spray everywhere. Get under here and just start turning. Lefty, loosey, righty, who cares? Let's just see if it works. Number 2, don't forget to clean up underneath where the old dishwasher was unless you want a bunch of roaches.
I don't clean floors.
You do now, come on. Eat that grime! Years of grime and dirt. Look at that, just like that. Rub his face in it like a little sponge. And the third and most important thing to remember when you're working with a dishwasher, use the right soap. This is dish soap. This is dishwasher soap. What if we use dish soap? Uh-oh! Yes, dish soap. It's about to get a little sudsy. And that's about all you need to know. Make sure to like and subscribe to watch me have a mental breakdown. All right, let's see how he turned out. Yeah, he's feeling good. Yeah, he's pretty clean. Could really eat off that dish. Look at you. You dish disgust me. Oh, hey. Oh. You're different.
Hey, I have a pickup for Kyle Health?
Yeah,
Kyle?
that's my name, Kyle Health.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Hey, just curious, what happened to the other mailman?
What other mailman?
It's not a big deal. I was just wondering, like, like if he's still around or.
I don't know.
Wow. Yeah, I guess it's gonna sound so silly, but Jason and I kind of had like a moment, and I guess I'm just wondering, like, if I'll ever see him again.
I'm sorry to hear that, but also not really, because I'm a male person, not a therapist.
Well, I understand.
You have a package?
Here you go.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a little.
this is so gross. Oh. There's blood on this.
Well,
Is this a body? Did you kill someone? Is there a human body in here? You need to tell me if there's a human body in here.
Do I?
Legally, yes.
Is that like is that part of the code?
I'll let you in on a secret.
Oh, okay.
It could be a body, it could not be a body. I just need to know, do I take this to the pig farm or do I take this back to UPS?
Hold on. What happened to my other mailman, Jason?
I don't know. Who cares? Not every mailman is a male man.
Huh.
Oh my.
All right, thank you.
Don't ever do this again.
Sorry.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Look, I'm just trying to buy appliances online.
Okay, bye. Cool.
Just this a dishwasher from the internet.
Do you have a problem or something?
It's just a dishwasher from the internet.
I don't care. Hey, get it together.
Just asking about Jason. He asked about me. 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 Yeah, he asked about me. He asked about me. Yes, he asked about me. He asked about me. Little old me asked about me. That's what. Well, the mail's coming, baby. It's coming full force tomorrow by 5 p.m. max. It's coming. Because you asked about me.
It's a really good sketch.
It's really good.